Y'all, so I'm out going to get me some coffee, and look at this shit, y'all. Look at this Jeep. Like, what is that? I don't know what that is. Let's get next to it. Let's see if I can get next to it. Be nosy. Their speakers, because I can hear their music. That's weird. This is the other van we're checking out right here. It looks way better than the other one. What y'all think? I mean, yeah, there's a little dent right there and a little ding right there, but there's no rust that I see, and it looks pretty good. So some tears in the seat, so we're checking it out. So stay tuned to see if we buy it or not. Sounds pretty good, I think. Right back, kitties. Sounds pretty good. Exhaust stinks, but.
Have GPS on it, right there.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, I passed by here a lot. I grew up here in Denmark with water all the time. Hey, just pull up.
We're getting this thing super clean, spraying the back out and all that stuff. All the dirt, as you can see. Got a bunch of leaves. We're getting this thing super clean. Got our business bags on in there. Look at that. Looking good, right? We just got to do some probably maybe paper things. We're not sweating it. Paper. Probably just finding feet in the junkyard. We sprayed all this out. Need a little vacuuming, but. I don't know what the wires are that's hanging. Got some wires hanging. I guess he tried to, oh, he was using to hang some stuff, I guess. Right, right here. Yeah. Yeah, this is what the inside look like, the engine and everything. Looks pretty good, right? This thing sounds really good. Everything looks pretty good in here. I say we, painted a little bit, got a few spots. I think they actually painted the bumper. The bumper was originally white, I think they painted it black, but you see some of the paint is peeling, so we could just go ahead and respray that. Like I said, try to make it look how you know the newer grills look on the new square kind of face truck. That joint stuff still a whole thick web hanging off the door and the mirror.
Get gas and we'll finish cleaning it later.
Look.
Spray the shit out of that.
Probably cleared them. What you think? What you think?
Sure. $1,300.
I know, it seems fine to you, like as far as driving?
Yeah, let's get some gas.
Is it 20? How many miles? It's 208. Let me take a look. It's hot as shit in here. How'd you ride over here? Damn. Oh, not bad. 205,887 miles on there. Can't beat that. The other one was dang near 400,000. Yeah, look at it. Okay, y'all, and this is no way. This is the same van that y'all seen. If you can take a look, looks a whole lot better inside. It's just like that patch of rust, like it's not even rust. It's, I guess that's just a little surface rust, but the paint's chipped. The other one, you know, that was pretty messed up, and this one don't have the exhaust hanging like the other one, and this one's white and black, as you can see. So sounds a whole lot better, runs a whole lot better. So it got the steps as well, but take a look. This one has.
Best I can do.
That's fine. You maybe left it like this. And this one has a divider. The other van, I'll show you, did not have the divider in it. It was just, you can see straight back. Well, you guys probably seen the video. If not, I'll add the video in right here. But I haven't driven this yet. My husband's been driving it, but everything seems pretty good. So with it, the radio works. The only thing that we need to fix is the AC's not blowing through in here, so we gotta fix that. But other than that, we're gonna get that fixed and all that. But everything else, it seems pretty cool. It's just a little bit over 20,000 miles. That ain't bad. We got it pretty cheap. So, and you got all this space and everything. We're thinking about adding another seat, or taking out this seat and putting a double seat in is what we'll probably do, or just take everything out and just replace them. Maybe find like some box truck seats, because you know the box trucks are the same as this, but because it's full seat, that way we go pick up a unit or something, we can fit the kids, kind of. We all probably can fit in here. We've done it before, so that way we don't gotta take more than one vehicle. But that's the back. So. And that pretty cool. But leave a comment what you guys think about this van. What do you guys think? You think that we got a good deal on the van? So let me know. And like I said, again, if you're not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do so. Give us a thumbs up if you're watching. Don't forget to like our video. And also, I'll catch you guys next time.